So starting on August 15th, we'll be removing the age cap, allowing people older than age 25 to apply and be eligible as ones.
Health Minister Bruce Fitch announced on Monday that the coverage of the insulin pump program for New Brunswickers living with type 1 diabetes will be expanded starting on August 15th.
Well, there has been a very, very strong lobby, and we have been making improvements to the program. This is just another step in moving towards more, and we have Mr. Thibault from Diabetes Canada down saying what a great move this is, so we're pleased to have that kind of support. I mentioned in my speech this is one step. There's going to be more announcements to, again, make it more affordable for people living with type 1 diabetes.
The initiative, once age capped at 25, helps New Brunswickers pay a percentage of their life-sustaining medical devices that alone can cost a family over $18,000 annually. Today, however, the government has removed the age cap and increased funding for continual glucose monitors in an effort to help those living with type 1 afford this life-changing technology.
For Diabetes Canada, we really welcome today's insulin pump announcement. And I think if you look across the country, the level of public coverage for diabetes medications, devices, and supplies, including insulin pumps, varies significantly from provinces and territories. And that's why we're very pleased to lend our voice to this positive announcement here in New Brunswick.
Also in attendance was Glenn Thibault, representing Diabetes Canada. The organization has been advocating for policies such as this for years, and he says today's announcement is a step in the right direction.
We've got a chronic disease that continues to see an increase in its prevalence, and it's programs like this that will continue to help us hopefully manage it, lower those prevalences, with the acute care hospital visits, because that ultimately ends up costing the healthcare system those dollars. And so by finding a program like this, you can actually reduce those costs on the acute care system, help people manage their diabetes better, live a better life, and then have those dollars to do other things.
This announcement gives New Brunswickers living with type 1 diabetes reason to celebrate and sets new policy expectations for provinces across Canada. Ian Curran, CHCO, NewsBreak26, Moncton.
A news and public affairs production of CHCO-TV, New Brunswick's only source for independent community television.